Myself, Dr. B. Sadasivaya, Assistant Professor of Botany, Dr. BRR Government College, Jadcherla. Students and friends, today we are going to discuss about the family Euphorbiaceae, which belongs to the class Dicotyledonnae, subclass Monoclamidae, series Unisexualis. There are no orders in this subclass. This family is commonly known as Spurge family. There are about 5,000 species were identified by the scientists throughout the world, which belongs to 700 genera of the family Euphorbiaceae. In India, we have 450 species, belongs to 70 genera. In United Andhra Pradesh, we have 121 species, belongs to 35 genera. In Telangana, we are having almost 115 to 120 species. The largest genus of the family and also type genus of the family Euphorbia with 2,100 species. So some of the important plants of this family: Acalypha indica, Croton bonplandianum, Euphorbia hirta, Euphorbia pulcherrima, Euphorbia thirukalli, Hevea braziliensis, that is rubber plant, Jatropha carcass, biodiesel plant, Malodus philippensis, Phyllanthus acidus, Phyllanthus amaris, Phyllanthus emblica, Phyllanthus madras pedana, reticulatus, Ricinus communis, Trazia involucrata, and then Euphorbia anticorum. Habitat: most of the species are mesophytes, some of them are xerophytes, and few of them are mangroves, for example Excocaria. Mostly herbs, shrubs and trees are present in this family. Some species of Euphorbia genus, they are with milky latex. The root system is taproot system, except in few species like Euphorbia fusiformis and Maniha dispellenta. So the stem is erect or prostrate or decumbent, herbaceous in nature or in woody in nature, cylindrical or angular, especially in Euphorbia anticorum, glabrous or pubescent, solid or hollow in Ricinus communis, and in some species like Euphorbia thirukalli, the stems are modified into phyllodes. Whereas in Phyllanthus emblica and Phyllanthus amaris and other species of Phyllanthus genus, the stems looks like a dwarf branches. The leaf, radical and column leaves are present, both petiolate and then stipulate and exstipulate leaves. The phyllotaxy is alternate, opposite. In some species of Acalypha, the leaf mosaic phyllotaxy is present. All the species of Euphorbiaceae having simple leaves, but they palmately lobed. In some species like Hevea braziliensis. The glabrous are pubescent. The genus Trazia, which are having the stinging hairs on the body of the plant. The venation pattern is reticulate. The genus Codium, which is having colorful leaves or variegated leaves. In some species of Euphorbia, like Euphorbia antiquorum and Euphorbia thricolli, the leaves are absent. Inflorescence. Cymose or solitary flowers, panicle in Ricinus communis, catkin in Califa, Cyathium, a special inflorescence type is present in the genus Euphorbia. The flower characters. Flower pedicellate or sessile, bracteolate, bracteolate, actinomorphic, unisexual, monoecious in antidesma, dioecious in gynosia. Hypogynous, epigynous in bradyria. Incomplete flowers, monoclamides. In Euphorbia, tepals are absent, atepalous. And the pentamerous are rarely trimerous. The perianth, 5 or 4 in Trazia, 6 in Phyllanthus, that is 3 plus 3 condition. They are fused or free in some species. Valvate are in imbricate distribution. Androecium, the number of stamens are vary from species to species of the family Euphorbiaceae. For example, if you take the genus, only one stamen is present. In Antidesma, 2 stamens are present. Brainia, 3 stamens. Phyllanthus, 3 to 5 stamens. Acalifa, 8. Jatropha, 10. Chrysophora, 18. And in some species of croton, around 80 to 100 stamens are present. All the stamens are free in some species, but in some species they are fused. In some species, like for example, Ricinus communis, the stamens have branches. Anthers dithecus and intros. The gynoecium, tricarpellary syncarpus and trilocular. Gynoecium is the ovary is the main character identification character of the family Euphorbiaceae. Ovary superior in general, axile placentation. Style is very short and stigma is generally lobed or trifid or branched. There is a special structures called obturators. They are present in the form of nectar glands. This is a special character of the family Euphorbiaceae. Coming to the pollination, very commonly entomophily due to the presence of prominent nectar glands. The fruit is schizocarpic regma. In some species like Phyllanthus, that is berry. The seed endospermic carbuncle is present. Again, the presence of carbuncle is one of the important character identification features of the family Euphorbiaceae. Important characters. In some species, they have latex. The another important character of the family, Cyathium inflorescence, catkin inflorescence are panicle. The most important character is unisexual flowers. And then tricarpellary syncarpus ovary with axial placentation. Style in generally trifid, fruit stigma, seeds carunculate. Economic importance. The roots of Manhattan utilissima, which is having starch and they are edible. In generally, maida is prepared with this starch. And also dry Petus andamanica. This is also used as food. The fruits, Phyllanthus emblica, Phyllanthus indofiscially, and Phyllanthus acidus, secunigal leucopyrus, dry Petus, sepiaria, the fruits are edible. The leaves, Sauropus androgynous, multivitamin plants, which means they have high number of vitamins. They are also edible. Jatropha carcass seeds produce The oil, the biodiesel is extracting from the seeds of Jatropha carcass and also Ricinus communis. The castor oil is obtaining. The 98% of rubber is obtained from Euphorbiaceae, that is commonly known as para rubber. And low cost rubber is also obtained from Sapium indica. The species of Euphorbia, like Euphorbia pulcherrima, and some species of Pedulanthus, Acalypha, Jatropha, and Codium, they are used as ornamental plants. The fruits of Mallotus philippensis yield red colored dye, which is commonly known as Sinduram. Euphorbia antisyphilitica, Pedulanthus pavonis, which gives Candidilla wax. The fruits of Chrysanthus collinis were used to kill the fish in the ponds. There are medicinal plants, many medicinal plants in this family. We are going to learn one or two species here. For example, Baliospermum montana. The roots used to cure stomachache. Euphorbia hirta, whole plant used to cure dysentery and jaundice. Philanthus emblica, the fruits which are having high content of vitamin C. And Philanthus amara, the whole plant is used to cure jaundice. The phylogeny. Benjamin Hooker kept this family in Monoclamidae of unisexual series. England Plantal, they kept this in Archiclamidae and Geraniales order. Hutchinson, Lignosae and Euphorbiales separate order. This family is very close to Malvaceae and Sapindaceae in terms of some species. Very recently, the Euphorbiaceae is further divided into three families: Raciniaceae, Phyllantheraceae, and then Putrangiaceae, and original Euphorbiaceae also there. Thank you very much.